Now, there are some specific types of fruit that, while nutritious, could work against your arterial health and blood sugar control. That's because they are particularly stocked with sugar, but relatively low in fiber compared to other fruits. So, if you are worried about your weight, your blood sugar, or your arterial health, you may wish to reduce your intake of, or completely cut out, watermelon, bananas, mangoes, and pineapples. You probably also want to watch out for most any dried fruit, as they will have concentrated levels of sugar, but no water content. Otherwise, when it comes to your arteries and your blood sugar balance, you really can't go wrong with a modest portion of most any type of fresh fruit, especially tomatoes, grapefruits, peaches, grapes, and blackberries.